Oh, do you pay a company to do the ads? Oh yeah, so we're like building our own ads and stuff. Like paying for voiceovers and paying, building them ourselves. And then just slow dripping them like a song a day. And then we're already getting kind of good at that. Cool, we got we'll have to get the first round is to give the data. The second round is like the target. So I was like, okay, you put out this mass like influx or